Want to make your home feel fresh and cozy this spring using simple, beautiful touches? Let's decorate together. Hey friends, welcome back. Or if you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. Today, we're diving into spring 2025 home decorating with tons of fresh ideas, calming colors, and real-life styling tips you can use right now. Whether you're into neutral spring decor or pops of pastel, this is your space to feel inspired. Spring decor can feel overwhelming, right? There's always that pressure to refresh everything, but without spending a fortune or losing your personal style. Maybe you're standing in the seasonal aisle at Walmart wondering, does this even go with my living room? Or maybe you're stuck between going minimalist or cheerful and colorful. The truth is, it doesn't have to be hard. In this video, I'll show you how to mix practical tips with a creative spark to make your home feel brand new for spring without the stress. Let's start with the living room, soft layers, textured throws, and just a hint of spring blooms. I'm loving neutral tones this year. Think ivory, blush, and sage, and I'll show you how to make them pop. We'll head into the kitchen for a quick seasonal refresh using simple touches like fresh-cut florals, layered trays, and a few budget-friendly finds from my recent spring decor haul. And yes, if you're looking for easy Walmart spring decor that looks high-end, you're going to love what I found. Isn't it amazing how just a few little changes can make your whole home feel brand new? Spring magic is real. Let's keep going. It's cozy, bright, and perfect for curling up with a book or sipping your morning tea. This little corner proves you don't need a big budget, just a little imagination. So whether you're giving your entire space a seasonal makeover or just adding a few touches, remember, spring decor is all about feeling light, refreshed, and happy in your home. Let your space tell your story this season. See how easy it is to bring a fresh, calming vibe into your home? Spring decorating doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to feel like you. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite spring decor idea this year? And if you love this video, check out my spring home decor haul and neutral spring decorating tips link below.